Good afternoon, welcome to TerryTracker channel. Tonight we're at Jomtien beach here in Thailand, and we've come down to the Jomtien night market, which you can see behind me, but it's also a food market. So lots of beautiful food, sitting by the sea, palm trees, sunshine. Hopefully it doesn't rain because it's rainy season. Yeah, so come on. So you have all these lanes with just food after food after food. Sushis, seafood, Emma's stuck at the wine, food everywhere. Wow. Kebabs getting made, fish, more food. It's a pork. Now these are what I'm getting. I love these. Very nice.
Isn't it?
Yes, this is my stall.
Chicken
just here.
thighs.
Indian food. Oh, that looks nice. Tasty, tasty. So we're going to get some chicken tikka masala, butter chicken and garlic naans from this stall. We've got barbecue chicken. Very popular. Jomtien night market. So we're at a burger bar and look at that burger. That is a proper fresh made burger. Better than Mighty D's. No, that is a fresh burger. I'm not just saying this, but that is some of the best looking burgers I've ever seen. Wow. So I've got myself some chicken skewers and a jacket potato with cheese. Yeah, you can keep coming back here every night and not get sick. Look at this. There's too much choice. Meow. So, as well as a food market, Jomtien Beach also has genuine Gucci and Armani, yeah, and other stuff. Absolutely genuine football shirts, of course. Ray-Bans. So there you go, folks. That was Jomtien night market. My happy place. Love it there. And on that note, see you on the next one. Emma?
Now it's time to do your job. Yeah.
Hey!